Morning everybody, this is Fred with RedlineMuscleCars.com and RedlineAutosports.com. This is our 55 210. It's got BelAir badging on it. It's turquoise and white. The car is solid as the day is long. It runs and drives excellent, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful paint that you can take to car shows or just cruise and have fun with. Very dependable. All of the chrome and stainless is super nice. It's got 17-inch chrome-plated torque thrust in the front, 20-inch chrome-plated torque thrust in the back. All the glass is tinted, all the chrome is nice. Wipers, lights, signals, all that works. It's power steering, power disc brakes. It's got vintage AC. Beautiful three-tone blue interior. It's got cream and then blue vinyl with a light blue material. There's your VIN number right there. Car starts easy and runs great. Showing 49,000 miles on the odometer. I'm sure that's been around a time or two. She doesn't get hot. It's a 354 speed. AM/FM stereo. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. Color keyed floor mats, really nice headliner, back seat, electric wipers. Just a nice car inside and out. Doors just click shut. Lots of chrome under the hood. Nicely polished radiator, electric fan, horns. Chrome plated Holly. 600. Nice car. She's ready for car shows or cruising, whatever you want to do with it. You can see more photos of the car, including the underneath, at RedlineMuscleCars.com or RedlineAutosports.com. The trunk inside has the original paint. Don't know why they chose to do that. Maybe to show the originality and the niceness of the car. But it's original floors, trunk, quarters, all of that. Just super nice. Beautiful car. Come see us at RedlineMuscleCars.com. Y'all have a blessed day. You can text Fred at 580-221-4326.